Today we are going to see like whenever I open an VirtualBox, I used to face some issues. So today we are going to resolve that. Okay. So now I'm opening VirtualBox. Let's see what is the error that I'm going to face and how I'm going to resolve it. Okay. So actually, in a VirtualBox, I have installed a Kali Linux. Initially, during I mean whenever I freshly installed that VirtualBox followed by Kali Linux, I am able to open it successfully. But after a day, I'm not able to open the Kali Linux. So I was seeing some error. Let's see what the error that I am going to face. So I just started the Kali Linux, but if you see here, it's saying some error. Some kernel driver not installed. So the support driver is not installed like that. Okay, so how I am going to resolve this issue. That's what we this video is about. So generally, so it says like something has been terminated unexpectedly. But I just googled it. I came across some solution. But let's try whether that will work out or not. Okay, so first we need to open the system preference. So we have system preference here. So there what we'll go for security and privacy. Okay, so in security and privacy here, there needs to be some notification here, like let me show you. So this notification I need to see software develop, system software from developer Oracle was blocked from loading. So this print I'm not able to see currently. uh, they I mean in that website they were saying like it will be present only for 30 minutes, but it's almost a day, right? So what they are saying is like we need to uninstall the VirtualBox, completely erase like all the files, then we need to freshly install VirtualBox and allow that notification whatever I showed you. Okay, so now I'm going to uninstall VirtualBox. So since I'm new to Mac, I don't know how to uninstall VirtualBox in Mac. Okay, let's see how I'm going to uninstall a VirtualBox from MacBook Pro. So I'm just going to Google it, how to uninstall. So generally, the common way to find an answer is just Google it. So since I'm new to MacBook, so just googling it like how I can uninstall the VirtualBox. Okay, so they are saying like go to folder title applications. I need to search for application. Now click on the VirtualBox and hold it carefully. Next, drag this icon to trash bin and drop it there. Uninstall or remove VirtualBox on Mac OS completely. Like, let's see what they are saying. So when talking about uninstalling an application, it is important to understand the difference between removing an application and installing it. This article is all about uninstalling VirtualBox. Yeah, that is what I just want to know, how to uninstall a VirtualBox on Mac OS. So let me find out the application folder. Where is the applications folder? Applications. I couldn't find the application folder. Applications. I don't know where the application folder is. So go to the folder titled applications. I don't know where it is, just looking for it. Okay, so here in Finder we have the applications and the virtual box. So what I need to do is click on the icon titled and hold it carefully. Okay, so I just clicked on it, but nothing came. I'm just holding it, and we need to put it into trash. I couldn't see trash anywhere. Move to bin. Trash and bin are almost same, so I'm just moving it to bin. So I'm entering my password. So it has been removed. Okay, so I'm just removing from here as well, and let's search whether I'm able to find a virtual box or not. So virtual box is not there. Since I have moved to bin, I'm not able to find it. So we need to again download it. I actually had VirtualBox, but what I did was I just removed the application, that application earlier. So I'm just trying to install it again. So we need to download it for Mac OS. So it's OS X hosts. So it has. Do you want to download? Okay, just downloading the VirtualBox. So before that, they mentioned like we need to clear up. I mean, yeah. So since these files need to be found with diligence, there are some certain folders where these extra files may be stored. Searching and filtering these folders could help you find these files. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to check those files are present or not. So we need to open a command prompt. Okay, so just opening up the terminal. So it's opening. So I'm just going to CD library and check preferences. So there are a lot of things related to VirtualBox. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove anything that is related to VirtualBox. Okay, then also I will be going for application support folder. So here also we need to remove anything related to VirtualBox. Basically I don't see anything here, but let's give it, yeah, no such file or directory. Okay, so now the install, I mean we have downloaded the VirtualBox application. So now we are going to install it. So I just double clicked it. Okay, so the installation is in progress. So now on, what I'm going to do is like I'm not going to remove the applications whatever I installed. I just going to keep it in some folder, because I don't know, like I will face this issue. Now I just downloaded the VirtualBox again from the internet. So to avoid like downloading more frequently, so I'll just store it in some folder. Okay. So it's just downloading. Sorry, yeah, it's installing. So double click on this icon, virtualbox.pkg. So I just double clicked it, and it's the installer has opened here. This package will run. Yeah, we'll give allow and we'll give continue. I don't want to change the install location. Okay. So there is already how to install VirtualBox on MacBook Pro. There is a separate video on this. You can check that also, and you can skip this part, like this installation part. But to be realistic, so that is the error I faced, and how I'm just going to resolve it. So that entire process I'm just going to show. So I'm able to get some notification. Program has updated, signed up by Oracle America. To finish the update, you must approve it in the security and privacy system in preference. Yeah, I guess maybe I have, I don't know, I just might have removed or ignored this notification earlier in the installation process. But now we just need to allow this, so then only we can I mean, we won't see this error in future. Okay, so you are able to see, right? So this is what I was mentioning about. So what we need to do is we need to click allow. Okay, so since we are not able to, I mean, the checkbox is seems like disabled. So what we need to do is we need to unlock this. So we'll just provide our password, and see, once it is unlocked, we can select allow. A restart is required before new system extensions can be used. So what I'm going to do is I'm just not going to restart it now, because if I restart it now, the video may be or either the video may be completely uh, gone. So that's why just giving not now. Okay, so here, so I just allowed it, right? Yeah, not now. So what I'm going to do is so once this installation is completed, I will just do a reboot. Okay, so now the installation was successful. Okay, so I'm just closing it. Do you want to move the Oracle VirtualBox installer to the bin? Yes, I'll move it to bin. Okay, so the installation is been completed. So we just need to open the applications where we'll find the VirtualBox. Okay, so here is the applications folder. So here we can see VirtualBox. Okay, so I'm just opening it by double clicking it. Okay, I thought MacBook was fast, but seems like it is too slow when compared to Linux. Yeah. So here, okay. So the Kali Linux is already there. Let's see whether it is a. I'm not going to see any error or not. So still I'm seeing the error. So what we are going to do is we are going to check the system preference once again. System preference to check whether that pop-up is still there. Yeah, it's still there. Let's do unlock again. So now it has been installed, right? That the extension. Let's see. Restart is required. Okay, I'm just going to do a restart. Done. Let's once again check whether that pop-up is there or not. So security and privacy. So the pop-up has been removed. So what I'm going to do is now I'm just going to open that VirtualBox and try to open Kali Linux. Let's see if we are still facing the issue or not. Okay, I'm just starting it. I guess we are not seeing any issues. Let's see. So it's opening. Okay. The last time you opened VirtualBox, it unexpectedly quit while reopening Windows. Do you want to try to reopen its window again? Don't reopen. I just wanted to fresh like open. See, now we are not seeing any issue. Okay. So I'm just opening the Kali Linux. I just logged in, but the screen is still not visible. Let's wait for some time. Yeah, so it has been opened. So now we are not seeing any issues, right? So I have, this is how we can solve it. It's like we need to first we need to uninstall the VirtualBox. Just go to the application folder, click on the VirtualBox for long time, and you just uh, move to trash it or move to bin. Okay, once it is done, we'll freshly install a VirtualBox. Then once the installation has been, I mean the VirtualBox has been completely installed, we'll go to the system preference and we'll check that notification pop-up is there, and we'll unlock it using our password, and we'll click on allow. So it will ask for a system restart. We'll just do right away, don't click on not now. Okay, we'll just do that restart, and once the restart has been done, we'll come to Kali Linux and we can open it successfully. Thank you.